Looking for a powerhouse in your kitchen? Look no further than the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. With its 1500-watt motor, it effortlessly blends, mixes, crushes, and processes, making meal prep a breeze. This versatile appliance is a must-have for anyone seeking convenience and quality in one package. Number 1. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System is a versatile and powerful addition to any kitchen. With its 1500-watt motor and 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, this blender effortlessly pulverizes ice into snow for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. The 8-cup food processor bowl ensures perfect, even chopping, and can make up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. This system includes 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, providing a truly customizable drink-making experience. The two 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids are perfect for creating personalized, nutrient-rich drinks on the go. The stacked blade assembly, dough blade, and chopping blade cater to various recipes, making meal prep a breeze. Cleaning is easy with dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts, and the 31 recipe inspiration guide helps you explore new creations. The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System is a must-have for anyone seeking a high-quality, multifunctional kitchen appliance. It combines power, convenience, and versatility, making it a game-changer in my kitchen. Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. The Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System is a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. Boasting a powerful 1400 peak watt motor, this appliance handles a variety of tasks with ease. The modern design and durable build make it a stylish and long-lasting addition to your kitchen. With its 5 Auto IQ programs, you can create smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, chopped mixtures, and dough at the touch of a button. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher is perfect for large batches, while the 8-cup precision processor bowl ensures precise chopping and smooth purees. For on-the-go convenience, it includes two 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids. User reviews highlight its impressive power and versatility. One user noted its ability to crush ice effortlessly and blend smoothly, outperforming cheaper models. Despite its higher price, the Ninja BN801's performance and functionality make it worth the investment. Add this powerhouse to your kitchen for a versatile, high-quality appliance that will simplify your cooking tasks. Number 3. Ninja SS351 Footy Power Blender and Processor. The Ninja SS351 Footy Power Blender and Processor system is a versatile kitchen powerhouse. Its sleek silver design houses a robust 1400 peak watt motor, effortlessly tackling heavy loads without stalling, thanks to smart torque technology. This blender offers 6 preset Auto IQ programs for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough, taking the guesswork out of food preparation. The 72-ounce pitcher crushes, chops, and blends with ease, while the nutrient extraction cup ensures smoother drinks packed with vitamins and nutrients. Perfect for making thick smoothie bowls, the built-in tamper powers through frozen foods with minimal liquid. The powerful dough mixer effortlessly blends up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Cleanup is simple with the included cleaning brush. Overall, the Ninja SS351 delivers exceptional performance and versatility, making it a must-have for any kitchen. With a 4.6-star rating from over 5,000 reviews, it's clear that customers are impressed. Just be sure to check your model number when purchasing to avoid any mix-ups. Number 4. Cuisinart BFP703BC Smart Power Duet Blender. Experience superior kitchen performance with the Cuisinart BFP703BC Smart Power Duet Blender/Food Processor. This powerhouse appliance features a robust 500-watt motor that effortlessly crushes ice and handles a variety of blending and processing tasks with its 7-speed touchpad controls. Whether you're blending smoothies, pureeing soups, or chopping vegetables, this device delivers consistent results at the push of a button. Its dual functionality as both a blender and a food processor makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The package includes a 48-ounce glass blender jar with a stainless steel blade assembly and a convenient 3-cup food processor attachment with a slicing/shredding disc and chopping blade. The die-cast metal housing ensures durability, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. As Leslie Hernandez shared in her review, this product saves so much time in the kitchen. Her experience with the slicing attachment highlights its efficiency and ease of use. Backed by a limited 3-year warranty and crafted to be BPA-free, the Cuisinart BFP703BC is not just a kitchen tool but a reliable companion for everyday culinary adventures. Number 5. Oster Pro Series 2-in-1 Kitchen System. The Oster Pro Series 2-in-1 Kitchen System is a game-changer for any kitchen. With a robust 1200-watt motor, it handles everything from crushing ice to blending fruits and veggies with ease. Its touch-activated LED display is user-friendly, offering 4 auto programs: smoothie, milkshake, salsa, frozen drinks, and 4 manual speed settings for versatile blending. The BPA-free, dishwasher-safe XL 9-cup Triton jar is perfect for large batches. The 5-cup food processor attachment, complete with an S-blade and slicing/shredding disc, makes chopping and dicing simple. The included tamper tool ensures even the toughest ingredients blend smoothly. Dual direction blade technology prevents gemming, ensuring perfect blends every time. Constructed from durable stainless steel and silicone, this sleek dark blue system fits beautifully into any kitchen. Rated 4.2 out of 5 stars by customers, it's praised for its power and versatility. The Oster Pro Series 2-in-1 Kitchen System is a reliable, all-in-one solution for your blending and food processing needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.